If you've ever worked on a design project and wanted to perfectly match colors, then learning how to use the eyedropper tool in Photoshop is absolutely essential. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to pick colors straight from your images and use them in any part of your design, saving time and making your artwork look cohesive and professional. Let's get right into it. To start, we need to select the eyedropper tool in Photoshop. You'll find it over in the toolbar on the left side of your workspace. The icon looks a bit like a small pipette, just like when you might use in a science lab to pull up liquid. If you don't see it right away, don't stress. Sometimes the toolbar is collapsed or the tool is hidden behind other icons depending on your workspace setup. Just keep an eye out for that pipette shape. You can also hit the shortcut key I on your keyboard to quickly activate it, super useful if you're switching tools a lot. Once you've selected the eyedropper tool, here comes the fun part, sampling the color you want to use. All you have to do is click anywhere on your image, right onto the color you'd like to grab. So if your photo has a gorgeous blue sky and you want that exact shade, just click on the part of the sky that looks right to you. The cool thing here is that you're not limited to big areas. You can pick any pixel, whether it's a highlight, a shadow, or a midtone. Sometimes it takes a few tries to find precisely the right spot, and that's totally okay. Just move around and click until you see the color you want. Now hear what happens behind the scenes. The color you just clicked is instantly loaded into the foreground color swatch. You'll notice this change at the bottom of your toolbar, where that little square icon updates to match your chosen color. That foreground swatch is important. Any brush strokes, fills, or shape outlines you create now will use this color by default. It's kind of like setting your paint color before you start working on a physical canvas. So how do you actually use the sampled color? Well, the possibilities are wide open. With your new foreground color, you can grab the brush tool to paint directly on your image, adding details or retouching areas with perfect color accuracy. Or maybe you want to fill a shape, just select the shape and use the fill option and it'll use your sampled color. If you're working with text, highlight it and change its color so that it matches another part of the image, ensuring everything looks harmonious. The eyedropper tool is especially handy if you're trying to create color palettes or keep your designs consistent. Whether you're working on digital art, retouching photos, or designing graphics for social media. Remember, if you ever accidentally sample the wrong color, it's no big deal. You can simply click again anywhere on your image to update the foreground color. There's no penalty and no limit. Experiment until it looks perfect to your eye. And that's all there is to it. By mastering the eyedropper tool, you'll be able to unlock creative possibilities and make your Photoshop projects come alive with matching, vibrant colors. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, comment below with any questions or ideas for future tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tip. Thanks for watching and happy designing.